Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ATMOKO Hair Clippers for man, and it is cordless. Oh yeah, it's a big set of them. We have so many different additional parts to handle this awesome hair clipper easily. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Yeah. It's an hair clipper for men. Of course, for women too. 5 hours hair clippers with 10 color combs. 164 inches up to 1 inches. It's a professional barber hair cutting kit with scissors, and it comes by Chicclly. Oh yeah. It's a complete hair clipper set for men. It's a cordless kit. With deeply researching customer needs, they newly launched a kit to get all tools we need. The man's hair clipper kit includes a hair clipper, 10 guards, and 4 lengths lever for all hairstyles lengths from 164 inches up to 1 inches. Yeah, a scissor, and a storage bag, and a comb. It's 2 times faster carbon blades. The cordless hair clippers have the top fast blades and are as durable as any we will find in the barbershop. The 440C carbon steel is the most popular blade in barbers. Be 2 times faster and more accurately than the ceramic blade to clip the roughest, irregular hair. Super 5-hour cordless using with only 3-hour fully charged for 2500 mAh battery. We can use the hair clippers for Men Cordless for 7 months, more than 15 times cordless trimming. Of course, the 7 months is not to handle this every day, okay? If you're going to take this every day, it will work not so long, but it comes with a long cutting process for 15 times. You can trim 15 times your hair by using this full battery pack of hair clipper. That's a long time. The long-lasting cordless hair clipper is very suitable for the barber and the whole family. 6,000 RPM motor with quiet technology. The motor speed of the hair clippers is 80% ahead of the market. It gives us the 2 times quicker but quieter experience than normal man's hair clippers out there. It's not only suitable for men but also suitable for children and pets too. And we have quick charge. 15 minutes charge means 30 minutes of hair clipping. Yeah! Only with 15 minutes charge we can get one perfect cordless cutting. That's nice. Quick charge leaves us plenty of time to clean ourselves up before we urgent big Zoom meeting. Yeah, that's possible and easy. We have no need to pay the multiple times for accessories. The hair clippers for man kit provides us with a full set of accessories. We have a professional man's hair clipper, includes 1 scissor, worth of $9. That's really nice. 10 all length guide guards. 1/8 inches, 1/4 inches, or 1/4 inches, 3/8 inches and a half inch, 5/8 inches, 3/4 inches, 7/8 inches, and 1 inch. And we can use it left and right. Yeah! And 4 length adjustable taper lever. 1 inch, 164 inch, 116 inch, 111 inch, and 1/8 inch. This you can adjust on the hair clipper itself. And we have a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery. Ooh, yeah. 7 months, no charge, no prop. 15 plus times of hair cutting is possible because we can use that device 300 minutes with 1 recharging. And quick charge is possible. 10 minutes of charge means 1 cutting process. Perfectly respond to emergencies. And the motor is nice. 6,000 rounds per minute. This is ahead of the market. And we have faster blades. The most popular double cut Barber's carbon steel. And low noise. Less than 50 decibel. Friendly for kids and pets. And with an LED light emitted display. Oh, for the battery management, we can see it how much energy is left. Super 5 hours cordless using the hair clipper anode with a 2500 mAh battery. Once fully charged, the hair clippers cordless can use for 7 months with no charge. 5 hours of continuous use for 15 times of time hair cutting. And we have 2 times faster self-sharpening blades. We do not have to sharpen the blades anymore because it's self-sharpening. Double cut blades means 2 times faster than normal man's hair clippers, even no longer thicker hair without any pulls. The R-shaped design is also safe for kids and pets. And we have an ergonomic design suitable for man and woman. The hair clipper, oh yeah, have an ergonomic design that helps relieve the hand, wrist, and arm fatigue during usage. It's only 275 grams. Suited for man and woman, the lady won't feel tired during the use of the cordless hair clipper out there. And of course, it's good for bird or beard trimming. Haha! Bird trimming is awesome. If your bird needs a trim, use that device here if you like. Here's not only a clipper for hair cutting, but also a beard trimmer for beard, like mustache, sideburns, goats, and with a 5 o'clock stubble, no problem. It solves all what we need with one man's hair clipper kit. Yeah, if we want a standalone shaving device, yeah, you can choose this. It's a man's hair clipper because we are like do it yourself. We can easily DIY using on the back without any assistance with the cordless hair clippers. It cut sharply, leaving a uniform length head wide without any kicks. They're an all-in-one head-to-toe hair solution. And I like it very much, the low noise. It's so loud, other devices out there are so loud, it's not comfortable. But with the air-shaped blade and the light vibration, this will give us, the kids, and us men and women and pets out there, a comfortable hair cutting experience. The power motor with quiet technology makes a decibel below 50. That's friendly for kids and pets and all other nice guys out there. And we have a nice hair clipper, a precision high carbon steel blade, and digital display. We have a charging port which you can charge by using the USB cable, and you can use your smartphone AC adapter for it, or you can use a power bank, for example, or you can use your computer, for example, or your USB plug, as you like. You can recharge this clipper easily with an hang loop and 2500 mAh lithium battery. We have an on and off switch which is easy to handle. And a taper lever is built or get on the device itself. Then we can choose and adjust the length easily. We have guide combs, a lot of guide combs which we can attach to it and use it for a nice and easy operation. Before the equipment is used for the first time, it should be charged 3 up to 5 hours. We have to plug the power cord directly into your unit. Be sure the clipper is switched off while charging. During charging, the charge indicator is illuminated, and then we can start it really easy. We give a dip of oil on the blades, and we can start and have fun with it. Yeah, that's easy. That's really easy. We will get the machine, we will get the hair scissors, we get the USB line, a blade gun, and of course a pouch, a big comb, a brush, and the guide combs. This is the really awesome ATMOKO Hair Clippers for men, and it's cordless. with a lot of additional parts into the set. 5 hours hair clippers with tan colored combs. And it's a professional barber hair cutting kit with scissors, and it's awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.